Hello, so today we will discuss about molecular basis of inheritance. So basically inheritance means like heredity, which is genetic, which is inherited from our parents. Now how this genetic material is inherited? By DNA. So DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. You might have seen that let's say a parent has brown hair and his child, he's also having brown hair. So basically that is what inheritance. He has inherited that brown hair trait from his parent. So there are a number of examples, like let's say blue eye color. Blue eye color is very rare. Let's say there are uh, a mother, she is having blue eye color, right? So there are chances that her child, he will inherit that blue color eye. So this way inheritance works. Then complexion, dark or fair, that also depends on parents. Then height, tall or short, that is basic, that is also what hereditary inheritance, which we inherit from our parents. Let's say if the father is tall, mother is short, and let's say the child is having a short height, so basically he has inherited that short height from his mother. So this is how inheritance works. So now how this genetic trait is transferred? There are number of genes in our body, right? So now where those genes are present, this all genetic material, that means genes. Now all these genes that are present on the DNA. So basically this inheritance works with the help of DNA. So DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and DNA, this is the genetic material. Now coming to nucleic acids, there is a term nucleic acids. So basically what are nucleic acids? These are polymers of nucleotides. Polymers means a long chain. Nucleotides are like A, T, C, G, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Basically this DNA. So here we will talk about nucleic acids. These are polymers of nucleotides. Now there are two types of nucleic acids. One is DNA, the other is RNA. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. So DNA acts as genetic material in most of the organisms. But if I talk about viruses, so in viruses the genetic material is RNA. So RNA, it functions as adapter, structural, and in some cases as a catalytic molecule. Okay, now the next comes the structure of DNA, its replication, Then there is a process named transcription, that is if I prepare RNA from DNA, that is transcription. Then there is term translation. Okay, then now let's talk about samples. So bacteriophage. Bacteriophage this is known as psi into 174. This is 5386 nucleotides. Then we have bacteriophage lambda. Lambda is denoted like this. It has 48502 base pairs. And then most important, E. coli or Escherichia coli, it has 4.6 into 10 raised to power 6 base pairs. So this is about DNA. These are the examples of it. So DNA is a long polymer. Okay, and length of DNA is, now how we define, let's say, now coming to length of DNA. The number of nucleotides a DNA has, that is its length. If the number of nucleotides DNA is having, that is, so basically the that is its length, number of nucleotides present in it. Okay, so this was about a little bit introduction about DNA. Okay, thank you.